Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo and I'm back. Guess where I went? The Container Store, okay? And I'm going to take you along with me. So please leave any questions or comments below and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and what? Subscribe. Okay, ladies, you know where I'm at? I'm at the Home Goods of Organization, the Container Store, okay? So if you're trying to get yourself ready to get organized for 2020, this is the place to be at, okay? So we're going to start off with these small containers right here, these little medium size. Now here's what I'm going to tell you. This big clear one right here, I have this one on my desk with all my sticker books in it for my planner stuff. So I'm telling you, my friends have asked me on Facebook, where'd you get it from? This is where I got it from. So if you want to check it out, this is the place to get it at. So they also got these stickers up here, which I never saw when I was here the last time. So they've got stickers to go with the containers. So if you need it, they got it. Okay. I saw this. I don't need it, but I like it. Okay, you know how a girl is. A girl sees something, pretty thing. Okay, it's like pretty and shiny. Okay, it's pretty. So look at this box down here. They got a print on that. That's a solid white one right there. You know, stop. Just get me out of here because I'm finna get myself in trouble. Okay, let me get what I got. Okay, now these bins here would be perfect under a sink if you're trying to organize something in your craft room. They're a little bit of everything. I need them to divide up the stuff under my sink. So that I'm thinking about, okay? I've got so much stuff under my sink. I'm trying to sort the sponges from the, the cleaning products, everything. But yeah, they've also got these cabinet baskets that pull out. Now here's another thing that I thought was really cool. They've got these little compact drawer trays, right? So they've got this one's a little deeper, okay? And then they've got a thinner one you could use in like a drawer. So good idea. I'm just looking through these going, okay, what can I use these for, okay? And then I realized that the tops, these are the tops to each one of those. It's like a bamboo top to each one of those little trays, okay? And then I saw this big one down here. You could take that, put a pen and a pad in it and put the wooden top on there and be like a mobile desk moving around your house all day. So just an idea. The Container Store did not give that to me. Container Store, I'll let you have it. There's a freebie for you right there. So, and they had a whole assortment of these. Like they had clear ones, but they had the white ones. And they even had some with color in the bottom of them too. And these were a little bit deeper. Okay, every time I come here, I come and look at these containers. Don't ask me why, but something about them that draws me here every time. It's the fact that they open from the front. I know it is, okay, but I think that is so cool. And the plastic is like a plexiglass, like a lighter plastic front, but I love that. I think that is so cool, and they're so nice though. And then they've got the matching, like the things that go in the drawers here. Like you can pull them out from the drawers if you're trying to sort things. I mean, this if you're trying to get your life together for 2020, this would be the place to come. But every end of the year, I try to do a clean sweep and just really clean out stuff. And I have come here before just to get ideas, not even to buy everything, but just to get good ideas on how to, store stuff. But I love this place. Now here's something I had not seen before. They got these little desktop trash cans. I thought that's cute. These are the ones that caught my eye. My sister's a crafty girl, and let me tell you right now, this little trash receptacle on her desk would be so cute. I love it. I think that is a great idea. Okay, now these little bins. Okay, I just had to show you these. They're individual bins, but you can stack them up. I'm saying you can work with these in your household, in your craft room. These are workable right here. Okay, now here's another one of those cleaning caddies. Now, just looking at this, yeah, it's all right, blah, blah, blah. But there was another one that I really thought was a little unusual. Now, these right here, this one, the storage caddy. Just put that under your sink. You can put your sponges inside the little top holder there. I just love this. That is cool. So that was another idea. You can use it for any other kind of storage, but that's me. Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo. I want to thank you so much for checking out my video, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and don't forget to like, share, and what? Subscribe, and I'll see you next time.